ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ 2020. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ UGC, KCET, VTU, ನೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ. Reopening colleges, SOPs for reopening higher educational institutions, skill training centers, hostel. Colleges or higher educational institution as well as skill training center can reopen from September 21, 2020 under the Unlock 4.0 guidelines. Persistent to the permission by MHA, the Health Ministry had issued guidelines for reopening of higher education institutions and skill training centers. Complete SOPs, including suggesting or safety at hostel as well as gathered classroom activities. Students may please note that the permission to reopen has only been extended to skill and entrepreneurship training institutes as well as higher educational institutions conducting PhD or technical and professional programs like medical, PG and other courses requiring laboratory experimental works. Permission to the resume regular classes for other degree colleges has not given yet would remain closed till September 30. SOPs for reopening college higher educational institution in India. First point, general measure of physical distancing of at least 6 feet, proper sanitization of common areas, use of face cover or mask, frequent hand washing with soap, temperature checks at entry points, etc. have to be followed strictly. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ enter the classroom. Institution within the containment zone are not allowed to open. Furthermore, students and staff living in the containment zone also not permitted to attend their school or classes. Contactless attendance system should be used instead of biometric attendance system. State helpline numbers and local health authorities numbers should be displayed at various places across the institution. For air conditioning ventilation, the guidelines of CPWD shall be followed, which emphasizes that the temperature setting of all air conditioning devices should be the range of 24 to 30 degree. Relative humidity should be in the range of 40 to 70. Intake of fresh air should be as much as possible and cross ventilation should be there. Academic calendar has to be planned in a manner to avoid overcrowding, congregation at all times and classes to be scheduled on a staggered manner. Also, a practical activities in laboratories, the maximum capacity per session have been planned and the schedule based on the redesigned spaces. ಹಾಗೆ 8th ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವರು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್, ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್, ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೋಡ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ as far as possible. Daily cleaning of the floors, cleaning and regular disinfection using 1% of sodium hypochlorite of frequency touched surfaces, door knobs, elevator buttons, hand rails, chairs, benches, washroom fixtures and deep cleaning of drinking and washing stations, washroom and laboratories shall be ensured. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.